Alright, Brad. I got a whole bunch of fucking shit, dude. So I'm just gonna try not to spend too long. So here's my transducer that I bought this fucking kayak mount for. And here's my fish finder. The Garmin Striker 4. And this pops right into the mount. And it connects onto the rail of the kayak right there. But I had to do some modifications. I had to put those washers on because it wouldn't, that bolt inside the screw was too long, so I either had to cut the screw or put some washers on. And I also had to do some modifications on, I had to cut all four of those screws that it came with down a little bit. They had to be shorter so that this bitch could actually pop on and off and spin. And there's the battery for it. I had to buy that separately. But so far I've spent like, I don't know, 7 hours using this thing and still have plenty of battery. I bought a scale, digital scale, and it comes with a tape measure. I don't know how it comes out, but this sponge I use in the kayak, this metal grate, I put it and I strap it in the back of my kayak, and I put this Thermarest pad on it like that, and I can actually lean up against it, so it's much more comfortable to go fishing in. My chest waders, boom, all the way. They're fucking huge, but they go, you know, to your chest. I haven't actually tried them on yet. Here's some of my rods. Here's a Daiwa. This was a freaking super cheap deal, like $20. My bait caster set up on my medium heavy, or heavy medium. Yeah, medium heavy. But this is my strongest rod. I got this little Goby on there. The Carolina rig. So I just on the bullet, the bead, the bobber stopper, swivel, and that's where I tied the leader onto the braid. And then I got this is the Light Pro, the Ugly Stik Light Pro. It's dude, this thing is fucking awesome. Isn't that my probably my new favorite one? It's definitely lighter. Not really. I don't actually like these Shakespeare reels that much, but I got 2 of them. And then this is my nicer reel, my Revros LT. It's kind of small, but dude, it's fucking nice and smooth. So I got the Shad Rap on there. This little Ned rig, dude, is one of my favorites. I've been killing the bass on that. And then I got these some of these Keitech swim baits. It's really got a lot of action on it. I got 2 of these reels, the Abu Garcia. One of them's a little bit bigger than the other, and I don't know what I did with the smaller one. I lost it already. It's somewhere in the garage, I'm sure, but yeah, that's it for the first video.